How to fix green line on phone screen Android. So if you are facing problem with the green lines which is seen on your phone screen on your Android device, then this video might help you to fix. Watch this video till the end and to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And let's get into the video. So there are multiple reasons for having the green line on phone screen. So in order to fix that, the first thing is you need to open up to your mobile settings over here. And after that you have to scroll down to the button and you have to go for system option and just tap over the advanced option over here and you have to go for system update. So if any updates of your system is available, then you have to update your system. You can tap over the check for update option at the button, and if any updates are available it will automatically update. But if your phone is already up to date, then it will show that your phone is up to date or something like that, what you can see over here. And this is the first fix. Now the second thing is you just have to go back and you have to restart your mobile device. For that you just can press and hold over your power button, and here is the option for restart. There may be also the option for reboot, that depends upon your device module. You can either tap over the restart or reboot and you will be able to fix this problem. It seems like a simple thing, but sometimes by simply restarting your mobile device you'll be able to fix that problem. This will also refresh your mobile device and the green line may disappear. This is the second thing. Now the last thing is, sometimes due to the hardware problem of your mobile device, that three lines will be available. So you just can visit the mobile repair shop where your phone will be repaired. So these are the fixes. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.